If you're seeing the "Oops, something went wrong" error on x.com, don't worry. This is usually a browser or cookie issue, and in this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it. This method is simple, safe, and works for a lot of users who suddenly can't log in or keep getting stuck on the error screen. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, open a private or incognito tab in your browser and try logging in to X or Twitter again. This step helps you test whether the problem is being caused by old saved data in your normal browser session. If X loads properly in incognito, that usually means the issue is coming from cookies or site data stored in your browser. Next, go to the address bar and click the settings icon next to the x.com URL. Depending on your browser, this may appear as a lock icon or a site info icon. From there, look for site data or cookies. Open that section and delete all stored data for x.com. This clears out broken login sessions, corrupted cache data, and any stored information that may be causing the error. After deleting the data, close the tab completely and open x.com again in a normal browser window. Try signing in one more time and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this simple reset is enough to fix the issue right away. If you're still having trouble, repeat the same steps in your main browser and make sure you're not blocking cookies for x.com. Also, avoid using any outdated saved tabs or bookmarked login pages while testing. The goal is to give X a completely fresh session so it can load without conflicts. So to recap, first try logging in through a private or incognito tab, then clear the site data in cookies for x.com from your browser settings, and finally, reload the site and sign in again. This usually fixes the "Oops, something went wrong" error very quickly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step fixes for X, Twitter, and other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.